last meeting?
Yes. We have done our due diligence for every seat, and now we had invited the screening committee chairman, Mr. Venugopal, and the other members, Mr. Bhakcharan Das and Deepak Babaria ji, to attend this meeting. They listened to the views of them. They did not participate in the meeting. And now our first official screening committee meeting will be held in Delhi on 4th January, 11 a.m. Okay. And after that, we should be finalizing our candidates by 10th to 12th of January. ऐसा है, पर्रिकर जी ने विधानसभा में मुविन गुडिनो जी के लिए क्या क्या नहीं कहा. ये बिजली चोर है, ही इज अ थीफ. पांडुरंग मटकईकर के लिए क्या नहीं कहा. भारतीय जनता पार्टी पारस पत्थर है, लोहे को भी खिस देती सोना हो जाता है. उनको मुबारक हो, दोनों मुविन गुडिनो और पांडुरंग मटकईकर, भाजपा और पर्रिकर जी को मुबारक हो.
माविन मडकेकाराक काँग्रेस गार्बेज म्हणटा म्हणून पार्सेकारांनी सणकलें.
हे पळय गार्बेज उखल्ली म्हणून तांकां ते गार्बेजीचे सोनसडो करतात. आमी गार्बेजीचो बरो फर्टिलायझर करतात, मॅन्युअर करतात. येवन सालिगांव कलंगूट पठाराचेर पळोवचें, भोंवती ग्रिनरी, जे तळप आसले तेचेर ग्रिनरी कशी जाल्या ती. तो जर गार्बेज म्हणून जर ताचें अवमान करता आसत जाल्यार BJP कडेन कापास्ताद आसा त्या गार्बेजीचे मॅन्युअर करपाक, फर्टायल मॅन्युअर करपाक, जे गोव्यांक आवश्यक आसा. सांग ताका गार्बेज नालायक.
दिग्विजय सिंग, बाबूश मोन्सेरात आणि काँग्रेसीच्या बाकीच्या फुडाऱ्यांची मंगळारा पणजे डिनर मिटींग जाली. तिसवाडीत युजी कडेन युतीक काँग्रेसीक काही प्रॉब्लेम ना, मात सीट शेअरिंगाचेर घोडे हाडला.
So yesterday you had a meeting with Babush Montserrat.
Yes, I want to wish his birthday.
So is it that he's likely to join party or that you are forming an alliance with him?
Well, let's see.
Let's see means
Let's see. Let's see. Let us see.
Actually, there was a common friend had kept a dinner, so I just attended the dinner and talks. Basically, some political talks took place.
तुम्ही जे सीट मागलेले काँग्रेसीकडे पणजे, सांताक्रूज, कोर्तालीम.
No, I have not asked seats with. I have asked for an alliance as far as 2 seats are concerned. If at all alliance take place, it is one in Koratali and one Penjum. As far as Talegaon is concerned, Jennifer is a Congress MLA. She will be basically contesting on a Congress ticket.
पण सांताक्रूज ते रेडी ना.
There is nothing like that. No, Santakruz is my seat. It's very clear. Candidate is mine. There is no compromise on those things. And I am sure it will be considered. It is either way. I am contesting election only. So whether it is considered or non-considered makes no difference to me whatsoever. So it is simple as that. It is not. I am not depending on someone to contest an election. So I believe in clear terms. I don't require a party to contest an election. I can contest election on my own.
तुमची पणजेची तयारी झाली. पणजेचे.
Yeah, I'll be setting up office in another 3-4 days. I think by 27, I think my office should be set up. I wish Parrikar comes here to contest a seat. I always had a wish that I would fight Parrikar. And I have got a gut feeling that I will defeat Parrikar also. That is my gut feeling.
इतले मजगतीं दाबोळी काँग्रेस ब्लॉक कमिटीन इलेक्शनाक कमिटीचे अध्यक्ष फ्रांसिस नुनीस, अशोक नायक आणि ॲडव्होकेट ग्लग डिसोजा हांची नांवां धाडल्यात.
आमी ऑलरेडी आमगे ब्लॉकांसून कॅन्डिडेट ऑलरेडी गेलो आहाय. नांव धाडिल्लो आहाय आमी आमचे डिस्ट्रिक्टासून ते आमगे प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी धाडितले आनी ते आमकां कितें सांगताय ते आमी मान्यता आहा. आमी सगळे एकवटान आहाय. आमकां दुसरो भायलो मनीस येनीक बसलो आम नाका. जे कॅन्डिडेट आमगे ब्लॉकान धाडले तितलो वेचून काडून प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी आमी दिचो.
आनी दुसरें म्हटल्यार तो म्हणटा न्हू आतां आमचो काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट करप्ट. तेणी 25 वर्सां आमच्या काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंटान रावन तेन्ना ताका कळोंक नासलें की काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट करप्ट म्हणून. आतां तो BJPन गेलो तेन्ना हे उलयता. तेन्ना अशें तेणें उलोवपाक जायना न्हू.
In Dabolim constituency, BJP said they are very strong. Again and again they are saying very strong, very strong, very strong. Let me ask one question to him. They cannot create one candidate for themselves from last 5 years. It's a shame for the BJP government here. You have to beg for from other party.
पुणेटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी दिशांत परब.